Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, limitlessbwl. So I'm sorry for not posting any videos last week, but that was because there were just like certain situations which caused that. But anyways, today we have a new video and it is going to be a makeup tutorial recreating this look by Kim Kardashian. It was the look she wore for their launch party, I guess, for her and Makeup Up Mario's collab. I had asked her on Instagram if you want to see it or not, and so many of you said yes. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be recreating this look, but of course I don't have the palette, so we're just going to be using products that I already have. So saying that, let's get straight into it. Okay, so I haven't done a tutorial in so long. Just a side note, my eyebrows super going out, nails super nasty right now, but this week I'm gonna get everything done. It's gonna be kind of a pamper week. So first we're gonna be doing our brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills a dip brow. I'll link my full brow tutorial for you guys down below for anyone who kind of wants an in-depth video on it English. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly go through it. Guys, just look at my brows with and without product. If you guys want kind of like a tutorial on how to really clean up your brows and shape them when they're like super grown out like this, let me know and I can do that for you. Okay guys, so I just primed my eyes and we are gonna be using the Jacklyn Hell Morphe palette today, along with two pigments which are gonna make the perfect color. I did kind of go through this palette to see if there's like a color I could use, but there wasn't really anything too similar. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So we're gonna go in with a transition shade as always, and I'm just gonna use this burnt orange right here and just apply it right in the crease. And we're gonna make this look very extended because hers just like really goes out. Of course her eye shape is different, but we're gonna try to get it as close as possible to the eyes. So this next part, I really wasn't sure what to do, and it kind of makes me nervous because I don't want to put it in brown because hers is just like true blue, but then at the same time I don't want to blend the pigments into my crease because it's probably not going to work. So I'm just going to kind of blend these two together and hope for the best. Yeah, that's a no. I'm getting scared for this look, so let's go to the pigments. Okay, so right now my eyeshadow looks so scary. So scary. We just gotta believe in the process. So next we're gonna go in with these two pigments from her Manerism. This is my first time trying it out, but from swatching it they look beautiful. So this one is in the shade Kinetic and this one is Sapphire. Both are beautiful shades, as you guys can see right here, and I think together they're gonna be the perfect combination. Okay, so we're just gonna take I'm gonna take a synthetic brush just because they're pigments, and we're gonna use the Max Fix Plus just so it adheres to the brush. And I'm gonna put both these colors into one cap and just mix it up. So can we just look at this, guys? Like, look how beautiful this is. So beautiful. I'm just extending it out as I go. I'm going to put a little bit more of that cobalt blue right here because I feel like it's a little bit darker. Like her eyes are a little bit darker. There we go. I feel like as I'm patting it, some of the color is like coming off. Like it's not, it's like moving off the skin. It's not really just sticking on. Okay guys, so this is like being such a fail. Like this pigment is just a big no. Like I would not recommend this pigment. It sucks because they're so pretty, but unless like I'm just not like, look at that patch, it's just so patchy, and it's like, look, it's like not going in on my lid properly. Like this is so unfortunate. So I kind of manipulated the shadows to my best ability. It's not looking horrible now, but it's definitely not looking good. Even though it's kind of a fail video, probably still post it up just so you guys can see that I'm not perfect. Makeup does not always come out perfectly, hardly ever actually. And we're just gonna go back in with the shade we're using from that Morphe, like for the transition shade, and just blend all this out because I don't like the blue up here, but it's already there though, so this video is a fail. Okay guys, so These are the eyes. Not a fact, not a fact, but what to do. I am going to be filming another video, so my eyes are really bad in that because of this. But we're gonna go ahead and put some lashes on. These are the bold face lashes in the style Game Changer. They're super pretty. And as for the face, I'm actually like, oh my gosh guys, I'm struggling with my makeup so bad today. Why are my eyelashes this close now? Now that I'm looking at it, oh my god, I'm taking it off again. This is my third time doing my lashes. I'm struggling so bad today. It's such a fail makeup tutorial. So I officially fixed my lashes, and what I was trying to say the last time is for my complexion, meaning my foundation alone, including the color correcting, I'm actually making a whole video on it, just on color correcting. You guys have been suggesting that for so long, so saying that, I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and film that part for another video, and I will be back with my foundation on, and then we'll do the contour, highlighter, all that fun stuff right after. So I'll be back in just a second. So I am back. So I just filmed my color correcting video, which also kind of failed in a certain way. I'm just not having a good filming day. So as you can see, since I already did conceal and stuff, I just started to bake under my eyes. As always, I use my Midnight Luxury Banana Powder. And then now we're gonna go ahead and contour, because Kim K always has a really nice contour going on. I don't got cheekbones like that, so we're just gonna contour what we have. I used Anastasia's Espresso as always. I keep contouring. I could have did a cream, but I don't know why I did it. Alright, just like chill on that chin. Next we go bronze. I don't know why I keep saying gone when I talk to Vivi too much. Next we're going to bronze up our face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany. This has become my new go-to. I absolutely love it, love it. You guys need this bronzer. If you're near my complexion, you guys need this. I don't think Kim has a blush on in that picture from what I remember, but we're going to be using Nars Torrid just for kind of like a very natural blush tone, just because I love a blush. So I'm just going to go ahead and with the Amrezy highlight with Anastasia. She had like a lot of glow going on. I know she had like a lot on the forehead area. I personally can't do too much just because I have hair there and I will look patchy. Loving how it's looking minus the eyes. The eyes are so patchy, but I realized the lighter blue wasn't like that. It was really the dark blue, so I think that was just kind of like So I do like it. It's like really pigmented. It looks beautiful on the eyes. It's just that color is very, very patchy, and it wasn't super messy either for a pigment, which is really nice. So now let's go ahead and finish up the under eyes and our lip. So she definitely has a blue eyeliner going on, so we're just gonna go ahead and use a blue lip liner from Kat Von D in the shade Satellite. I'm just gonna mix that color combination again and do the under eye area. Just taking that orange kind of shade we used earlier, just blending it out. Hers looks super blended, but it doesn't look like it's blended with another color, but you know, I'm not that talented. So we're gonna blend it out with a different color. Final thing is we're going to put that lighter shade right in the inner corner, because hers looks like it's like a darker blue and then like a really light nice blue in the center. Inner corner, not center. So for the eyes is just putting some mascara on the bottom. Her bottom lash looks super long and beautiful. Unfortunately, I am not blessed in that department. I barely have any lashes, but let's go ahead and just put something there. So those are the eyes so far. I'm kind of liking it when it's like all together, but like top is still a no for me. But okay, so she has like a really beautiful kind of like, it's not a matte lip, it kind of like has like a little bit of a sheen to it, so I think I'm going to use a matte lip and then put something on top. So let's go ahead and try. As always, going in with my MAC lip liner and just framing my lips. If you want to know how to rock any nude lip, I have a video on that. Going with Kylie's Dolce K. I'm almost done that, so Okay, so I do think the color is pretty accurate, but hers does have a little bit of a sheen, so we're gonna go ahead and put this Nars lippy, and this is the lip cover in the shade Overheated. That's a little too light, so I'm gonna go back into the Kylie. Okay guys, and here is the final look. After a lot of struggles, we finally got here. I still feel the same way about the eyes, but the rest of the look I kind of like, so this is how it looks. You guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more kind of celebrity inspired makeup tutorials, please make sure you let me know so I can do more. And saying that, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because it would help me so much. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.